everyone, welcome to your favorite Byju's 9th and 10th channel. My name is Khushbu and today I'm here to discuss with you the toppers timetable that they follow during the summer vacations. So the moment you hear about vacations, the first thing that clicks your mind is obviously vacation, right? A vacation with your family, with your friends. Obviously, this is the only time when you get ample time to spend with your family, with your friends as well. And I think this is the only time of the year when you can actually plan for long trips, right? And some of you might also have this thought in your mind of joining a hobby class, and there is nothing bad in it. Whatever you want to do, whatever you actually want to do in life, you should do it. But studies ko ignore karna, that's not the right thing, right? And I think more than practice and more than learning, it's about a mindset also. So the toppers, ऐसा क्या करते हैं that they are able to score such good marks in their exams? I mean, what is the difference in their timetable and an average scorer timetable? So one thing is, as I said about the mindset, they really well understand the importance of time. Yes, I think that's the only thing, that's the only difference that is there between an average student and a topper. So a very famous personality has said this. The bad news is the time flies. The good news is you are the pilot. So toppers understand this, that time, once gone, it's never going to come back. And they know that they are the pilot. जो करना है उनको ही करना है. No one else is going to do that on your behalf. No one else is going to study on your behalf, right? See, we teachers, mentors, whatever, we can just be a part of your journey. After all, it's your effort. So ऐसा क्या timetable है, ऐसा वो क्या follow करते हैं, and how do we actually utilize this time effectively? I mean, on an average, you get about 45 days or maybe not exactly 60 days. Generally, I mean, 1.5 month हमें मिलता है. But how do we actually utilize this time effectively? Alright, so first very important thing that you have to understand that you need to have a clear goal in your mind. Goal जब तक clear नहीं है, you don't know what your destination is. So how would you decide on your path? How would you decide which path to follow? What the direction I have to take? Another very important thing, self-care, that we generally ignore. So this is the right time that you can focus on yourself as well, on your personal care as well. And this is the best time wherein you can actually work on improving your knowledge and your skill set. और आई टेल यू वन थिंग, हम सबके अंदर पॉजिटिव्स नेगेटिव्स सब में होते हैं. नो वन इज परफेक्ट. तो हमने पॉजिटिव्स पे वर्क करके उसको और बेटर कर सकते हैं और नेगेटिव्स पे वर्क करके उसको पॉजिटिव में ला सकते हैं, राइट? अपनी स्किल्स पे वर्क कर सकते हैं, अपनी नॉलेज को एनहांस करने में वर्क कर सकते हैं, रादर वेस्टिंग टाइम. बट हाउ टू एक्चुअली डू इट? सी, एज आई सेड यू, जनरली वी गेट 1.5 month, 45 days or 45 to 60 days time period. So for all of you, no matter whichever class you are in, अपने मंथली गोल सेट करिए. Let's suppose generally हमारी vacations they happen in the month of May and June, right? So first set monthly goals for yourself that in this particular month I'm going to cover this much of the syllabus. I'm going to learn these new skills. I'm going to work on my hobby, whatever it is. I'm going to work on these things in this particular month. So this is, I can still say this is my long-term goal. 1 month को भी आप long-term goal मान के चलते हैं, right? Now, सबसे पहले यही हमारे को 2 months मिलते हैं, अपना गोल सेट करते हैं. गोल के अकॉर्डिंग यू मेक अ टू डू लिस्ट फॉर एवरी डे. For each day, make a to-do list. Today, I'm going to do this, this and this. And then you check towards the end of the day, have I done all these tasks that I thought of in the morning? ये सब कुछ मैंने कर लिया. And one thing that I want to clarify here, make a to-do list a day before. राइट ये नहीं कि आप सेम डे बैठ के बना रहे हैं. सेम डे बैठ के करोगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी वेस्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ये सोचने में व्हाट टू यूटिलाइज माय टाइम टुडे, how to utilize it, right? And last thing, once the day is over, towards the end of the day, ये जरूर लिखना है notes. Notes as in, I'll give you an example. All right, so let's first look at the toppers timetable. What is the ideal timetable that you should be following during your vacations? So as I said, first of all, you should have everyday goals, right? A to-do list. So today's goals or to-do list, let's take an example. Today I'm going to cover one math exercise. Now that exercise can be a shorter one, it can be a longer one. I'm just using an example. So you, according to your speed, according to your pace, you can make it like this. Let's suppose if I'm able to do in a day 20 math questions. On this particular exercise, I've only got 7 questions or 10 questions. You can cover 2 exercises also. It's not a hard and fast rule that ma'am has said 1 exercise, so we have to do only 1. You can cover 2, you can cover 3. I mean, you can modify it according to yourself. Then chemistry, let's suppose I'm going to cover one topic today. So that one topic I'm going to cover full-fledgedly from the NCERT, from the reference books, everywhere, whatever resource you are using. In physics, for this particular topic, I'm going to cover 10 numericals today. You can change it according to yourself, right? According to your pace. So what should be? This is my to-do list, let's say. I'm just taking an example. So I know today's task. Now what to do? Let's suppose I wake up at 6 in the morning. Some of you might wake up early. Some of you might wake up at 7. I'm just taking an ideal scenario. Generally, people wake up at 6 in the morning, right? So you wake up at 6, you do all your morning activities, right? And in 1 hour, once you are done with that, 7 o'clock, go for exercise. Go for exercise or go outside to play. Anything you can choose. You go for jogging, you want to listen to music early morning while you are jogging, anything you can do. But why this is important? This is very, very important. Self-care mein this is included. Why? Because it keeps you active entire day. Otherwise, many of you will waste time in sleeping. 24 hours mein se, I can actually tell you, I've seen students doing it. 24 hours mein se, you are sleeping for 12 hours, 13 hours. You are completely wasting time. So don't do it because ye hota hai because you feel lethargic, right? So exercise, और यू प्ले गेम्स खेलना मोस्टली सबको पसंद होता है, राइट? यू वांट टू गो आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स अर्ली मॉर्निंग वॉक पे. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग बिकॉज एंटायर डे आपको एक्टिव रखेगा. देन आफ्टर 1.5 hour व्हेन यू कम बैक होम, देन व्हाट शुड यू डू? यू शुड फर्स्ट टेक बाथ, राइट? टेक अ बाथ एंड वंस यू आर डन, थोड़ा सा आप रिलैक्स भी करेंगे आके. सो लेट्स सपोज बाय 9 o'clock यू आर डन विद एवरीथिंग, राइट? आपने आके रिलैक्स करा, यू हैड अ कप ऑफ टी, वॉट एवर, यू हैड मिल्क, एंड देन बाय 9 o'clock यू कैन हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट. थोड़ा बहुत अप एंड डाउन डेफिनेटली होगा आपके डेली रूटीन के अकॉर्डिंग. यू हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो वाइल हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट, सम ऑफ अस हैव दिस हैबिट ऑफ वॉचिंग टीवी. इफ यू हैव दिस हैबिट, इट्स ओके, यू कैन डू दैट. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट. ऑल राइट. सो 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, I am just assuming that it will take you maximum half an hour or 45 minutes, not more than that. So by 10 o'clock, you are absolutely ready to sit down to study. You can start with anything. Let's suppose but generally I would suggest you that start with a theoretical subject, not with maths. Because early morning, I tell you, according to my experience, I feel maths तब करना चाहिए when you are tired. You know, when you feel कि अब तो मेरे से कुछ याद नहीं हो रहा है. You know, mugging up वाली चीज़ नहीं हो रही है, याद करने वाला काम नहीं हो रहा. It's better आप math तब करिए. So start with the theoretical subject. As per my experience, I'm saying you can still choose as per your convenience. So sit down to study. Now it depends आपका concentration span कितनी देर का. You want to sit down for 1 hour or 2 hours. So at least 2 hours you should sit down to study. अपना 2 घंटे 10 to 11, 11 to 12, right? आप अपना इतनी देर पढ़ सकते हैं. You will be able to cover a lot of topics, I'm sure, right? Whether you want to watch, you want to learn from YouTube, आप channel open करके वहाँ से कुछ पढ़ रहे हो, or understanding the topic, then trying out the questions, there is no harm in it. बिल्कुल करिए. Then 12 o'clock. So till 12 you did this, obviously now you need a break. Breaks are very important. So break लेते वक्त you can do anything. You can work on your hobby, right? So now, hobby. यस अब हम अपनी हॉबी पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. हॉबी क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू मेक स्केचेस, यू वांट टू डू पेंटिंग, कुछ भी आप कर सकते हैं, वट एवर यू वांट टू डू. सो हॉबी क्लास से आप क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं और वेदर यू आर डूइंग समथिंग ऑन योर ओन, ये सब कुछ करके लेट्स सपोज आप 2 o'clock तक फ्री होते हैं, विच इज जनरली आर लंच टाइम, right? You have your lunch. Generally, as I said, we have this habit of watching TV while eating something, right? You can watch TV also. You can watch TV, you can listen to music, whatever you want to do. You want to watch a series, it's okay while having lunch. Take a proper 1 hour break. Proper 1 hour break, right? And then 3 o'clock. Then 3 o'clock, again you sit down to study. स्टडी पे आपका मैक्सिमम फोकस है, बट येस बैलेंस आउट करते हुए सो दैट यू नो यू गेट टाइम फॉर अदर एक्टिविटीज एज वेल. सो आप 3 o'clock बैठते हैं, 4 o'clock यू आर स्टडिंग एंड 5 o'clock अगेन 2 hours बाद again you get up, you go out, whether you want to go to market, it's up to you. You want to go to market, you want to watch a movie, you want to go out and play games, it's better you do physical activity. That's what my main point is. As I said, activeness body में बहुत रहती है. And then again after 1 hour, 1.5 hour, again you can do the same thing. You can continue with the same thing. By 7 o'clock I'm sure that you will be relaxed, you will be free with everything. 7 o'clock again you sit down to study, right? When you are tired, it's better you do math at that point of time. So here it's mentioned 8 o'clock. I think generally we have dinner at around 8:30, 9 something, right? So let's suppose you have your dinner around 8:30, right? I'm just assuming you have your dinner around 8:30. So 8:30, what you can do? 8:30 you have your dinner. Again, you see you are getting time to watch TV or whatever other activities you want to do simultaneously, right? For just half an hour or something. Now, 9 o'clock, if you have this habit of listening to music or you have this habit of reading books, if you still don't have this habit of reading books, I would suggest you get into a habit. Trust me, it's going to be very useful for you, even for your English exam also. Yes, for your social science exams as well. Also आपका thought process बहुत better करता है, knowledge enhance करने में help करता है. It's better read a book before you go to sleep. Read a book, और अगर book reading की आदत नहीं है, last thing that I want to say before you go to sleep, जो आपके theoretical topics थे, whatever you learned in the entire day, उसको एक quick revision करिए. A quick revision. Why I'm saying quick revision doesn't mean that you start writing the entire thing again and again. You just go through the keywords, the main pointers. Why I'm saying this, इसके पीछे एक scientific reason है. अगर आप सोने से पहले, before you go to sleep, अगर आप quick revise करते हैं main pointers को, again tomorrow morning when you wake up, you revise the same thing, वो आपकी long term memory में feed हो जाता है. आपको ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम तक वो याद रहता है. And then 10 o'clock or maybe by 11 o'clock, whatever suits you, you can go to bed, you can sleep. But before you sleep, you have to do one thing, that's the notes, which I mentioned a couple of minutes before as well. Notes में आप क्या लिखेंगे? Let's suppose you did maths today, physics today, chemistry today. But कुछ तो doubts आए होंगे. There must be some questions, some topics. There must be something जहाँ आपको clarity नहीं होगी. So mention your doubts here. Those doubts or the topics where you need clarity. Right? Where you need clarity or something that you could not complete. यहाँ पर mention करिए and make a to-do list for the next day. A to-do list for the next day, you can incorporate these things. You would know that these are my doubts. I'm going to clear this with my teacher or I'm going to clear this from the YouTube channel, right? So जहाँ से भी clear करना है, इसको first clear करके then I'll move to the next topic. If you feel आज math practice करा है, still the topic is not clear to me, I need to practice some more reference books से, so mention it. So that next day आपका पहले ही planned होगा, you will not be wasting time. So this is the timetable. So as I said, टॉपर्स के लिए उनको पहले पता होता है कि टाइम यूटिलाइज कैसे करना है इफेक्टिव. सी एवरीवन हैज गॉट 24 आवर्स इन अ डे. इट्स नॉट अबाउट हाउ मच टाइम वी हैव, इट्स अबाउट हाउ वेल यू मैनेज योर टाइम. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट मैनेजिंग. नाउ सम ऑफ यू माइट फील कि टाइम टेबल फॉलो ही नहीं होता, हम बना लेते हैं. सो इफ यू सी दिस टाइम टेबल, इट्स नॉट वेरी, आई वुड से वेरी टफ टू फॉलो, बिकॉज इसमें एम्पल ब्रेक्स, आई वुड से स्टडी टाइम से ज़्यादा इसमें ब्रेक्स है. ब्रेक्स एज इन जिसमें यू आर रिलैक्सिंग, यू आर ईटिंग, यू आर वॉचिंग टीवी, यू हैव गॉन आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. सो सब कुछ इसमें बहुत बैलेंस्ड है. अगर आप इस तरीके से इफ यू फॉलो इट, ट्रस्ट मी, आप इजीली फॉलो कर पाओगे. यू विल नॉट फील इट एज अ बर्डन. अदरवाइज जब आप खुद टाइम टेबल बनाते हैं उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, स्टडी टाइम इतना ज़्यादा होता है और ब्रेक्स नहीं होते हैं, देन यू डोंट फील लाइक स्टडिंग. यू फील डीमोटिवेटेड ऑल्सो कि मन ही नहीं कर रहा है पढ़ने का. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि टाइम टेबल बैलेंस्ड होना चाहिए. और द टाइम टेबल दैट आई हैव शोड यू, इसमें आप थोड़ी बहुत मॉडिफिकेशंस अपने अकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हैं. बट प्लीज़ ट्राई इफ़ यू कैन फॉलो इट इन दी समर वेकेशंस, बिकॉज आई टेल यू ये गोल्डन टाइम है. अगर आपने अभी फॉलो करा, कोई नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू कि आप अच्छे मार्क्स ला पाएँ. कोई भी टॉपर बन सकता है. दे आर नॉट born with a different brain. All right, students, so that's it from my end, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you want more such videos, and do hit the bell icon as well so that you keep getting the notifications, and do like the session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.